What is happening, y'all? Welcome back to Nocturnal Labs. For those of you guys that have a BMW E46, I think to like 2005, I'm not sure, 100% sure, but ours is 2004 325i. And for those of y'all that are having this issue with the exhaust gaskets always coming apart, if you just put them together and you don't mess with it again, you're okay. But if you're like us, we're always tearing into the engine, doing all kinds of stuff to it, like always messing with, especially my daughters, you know, they'll tear it apart and then these are always breaking. Well, one that we got was $40, but we thought it was a set, but it was only one. But I'm going to show you guys how to put this thing together, because this actually gets pretty annoying. Every time they don't last, but so you can see it's put together, but they come off with a little small rivet. We're going to take care of that issue. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the flat side of the rivet on the inside, because you see how it's got the little divots in there. Well, on the inside it should work pretty good. And so y'all can see here, it already has two little holes drilled that line up like if it was made for you to put a rivet in. So this is what we're gonna do. Rivet fits right in there. Cheap rivet gun. Put that bad boy in there. Pump it up a couple times until it snaps. Bam, there we go. Okay, now if you can see, that's only one side, but it doesn't make too much of a dent or a divot on it. So it actually is flush, a lot more flush than these up here. And on the other side, it doesn't protrude too much as well. But that side, I mean, there's nothing in the way, so that's why I decided to put it on that side. But we still have another hole, and we're going to do the same thing too. And the same thing again, we'll put the flat side on here, which is the side where the actual exhaust manifold goes to. And peoples, just like that, it won't come apart. 1, 2, and all the rest of them are already stuck on there, so you know it's gonna line up. But look at the inside. I don't know if you can see that too well, but here's one, here's the other. Let me get a light over here so you guys can see. Get over here. All right, hopefully you can see a little bit better, but here's one, right? That's a rivet, and there's the other rivet. And the holes that were made, like they wanted to do this, you know, at factory, but decided they wanted to sell more than give you a good product. So that's all I got for you guys. I hope that was super helpful, because it was helpful for us. And you don't run into this issue all the time. I mean, like I said, if you're gonna install it one time and then you don't mess with the car again, then I think you're okay. But if you're like us, that we're always doing something to the car, then that's an awesome idea. Hope that helps. Peace. Have a blessed one.